Everybody, it's Stuart here from Hot Forex. It's Thursday, the 7th of February. It's Bank of England day today. More on the pound in a minute, but really it's all about the dollar bid that continued and has continued all week here. Euro here, if I take this up to the daily time frame, you can see what a strong week we've had. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days down now for euro dollar, and we're at 13.52 currently. So 1 hour trend just keeps on trending down, and that good old 20 period moving average has kept you on the right side of that move. First support is here at 131.44, so sub that key 13.50 for euro. As you can see, RSI refuses to be oversold as well, so the trend remains to the downside. Pound again in focus today. Mrs. May's in Brussels again today, following a 2-day visit to Northern Ireland. No expectation for any sort of result out of either side. Both sides very intransigent at the moment. So pound suffering yet again. So 129.07, 129 being tested again this morning as I'm speaking. We've poked through at 129 level. So again, just like the euro, pressure on cable rate to the downside. Aussie was a big mover overnight as well, under 71. We're at 70.95 again. The story is the same all over the shop this morning. Dollar yen over 110 again. Same old. Up bid for the dollar there. And stocks, having started quite aggressively initially, we've sloped down and we've closed over 27.25. Overnight, so we're at 27.23 at the moment. So next support is down here at 27.20 for the S&P 500. Gold was a big mover as well. We've under that. We gave up that 13.15 level we were talking about yesterday, and it's moved down aggressively overnight under the key 200 period moving average here at 13.10. So 13.05 is next support level here, or 13.02 is S1, but psychological 13.05 also being breached. Then we've got obviously 1300, and then 12.95, and that key 12.86, that fib level up on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, it looks like we're about to approach this 20 period moving average here at 1300. So watch gold as well. Silver's followed a similar sort of move as gold, but not exactly the same. And finally, oil fell on the oil rallied on the inventories that were in line at 1.3 million barrels yesterday, but we slipped before then, and we've gone under $54 again. So 54 remains key pivot for oil, and consequently we had a dollar CAD rally over that 132 level, and indeed we've pushed 132.50. So take your choice. Dollars on the bid on Bank of England day. As far as Bank of England are concerned later, no change in interest rates, no change in the asset purchase, and no change in the voting 9-0 expectation from the MPC. However, obviously there will be some comments about the potential for a no-deal Brexit, possibly, certainly at the question and answer session after the press conference. So watch what Carney and some of the others may have to say about that. Expectations in the market as if there is a no-deal Brexit, obviously the Bank of England acted quickly after the initial referendum. They could do the same as early as April or even May as far as UK interest rates are concerned. But let's just finish with the pound actually. Pound remains to the downside here against the dollar certainly. So 129 being tested this morning. Okay, take care. We'll see you all again later, and trade carefully. Bye bye.